Hello staff, as per request from many analysts, I have taken the time to create this document in Excel that you could show the STOs replacements and the programs such as AFOs, ABLEs, all the things in percentage. Okay, percentage of opportunity is correct. So in addition to the STOs data sheet that you have, that you put the plus and minuses for the trials, when you come out with the trials, the average of the 10 trials, let's say the kids score plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, and they score 50% on the goal SM1, aggression towards others. You put the date, and then you put 50 on that one, and that is 50%. It's gonna be graphed already. SM1, which is the blue, is gonna be graphed here. For that day on SM2, which is self-induced behavior, let's say the average score on the data sheets for the STOs was 30. You're gonna put 30 on that, and it's gonna graph it there at 30. And disruptive behavior, you run the trials on the STOs data sheet, and the average percentage is what you're gonna put in here. Let's say it scored 25% on average, and then social acceptable 35, 40, and 60. Okay, so you're gonna have all those data points. Let's say on that day, on the first day, it was on the third day. So you see over here, you're gonna have the graph. So when it's time for the monthly report, when the supervisor analyst, lead analyst goes to supervise you, all she can do or he can do is go ahead, pull up this document and see how the replacement goals are going. They should go up. If they're going stable or down, then she or he will have to intervene and find out what's going on so that the plan works. So in this graph right here, I have 6 goals. I cannot put any more than that. So if let's say you have 20 replacements, then you're gonna see the part 2 to it with the rest of replacements, and then part 3 with the rest of replacements, and then part 4. Because we don't wanna have a graph with more than 6 datas. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is the first part. And then on part 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more, which these are the titles here. And then part 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more, and the titles here. And then part 4, we only have 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the document that you have to have ready available for the analyst, and you have to submit it to the website on your daily sessions. This is gonna show the graphing of the average scores for each STO that you run on that particular day. So for those of you who have more than 3 hours, 4 hours, 5 hours of services, even 6 hours of services, you have to have a lot of STOs run on that day, because how are you gonna justify 5 hours of service, okay? So the more STOs that we could show here, the better. And this is the one that I created to use along with the STOs data sheet. So the STOs data sheet you're gonna have in hand, and all the ones that you run, you get the average and the dates, and then you input here in this document, so it's gonna be graphed, okay? If you have any questions, you can contact me, but this is from now on, this is gonna be in addition to the STOs data sheet. Have a good day.